subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new affordable 5G phone under M series in India called Galaxy M13 along with the 4G version. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy M13 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM that can be extended up to 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is again expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy M13 5G supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on One UI Core 4 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with auto data switching technology that allows making or receiving calls using data of the secondary SIM when primary SIM has network issue. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 76.5 by 8.8mm, and it weighs around 195 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy M13 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 13,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 15,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from July 23rd in aqua green, midnight blue, and stardust brown color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy M13 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.